This renovation, like all others presented on our channel, is supervised by the Austrian Institute for Building Protection.
Today we find ourselves in Carinthia, specifically in the municipality of Lansdorf. The central theme of this video presentation is the comprehensive renovation of a damp garage. The walls here are noticeably damp, extending all the way up to the level of the windowsill. A specialized moisture meter unequivocally confirms the presence of significant dampness within these walls. The plaster was carefully removed up to the height of the windowsill, and a precise joint was then created between the wall and the screed. The walls were then milled, removing remnants of old mortar and various uneven areas to ensure that the NCT products adhere to and penetrate the masonry. Milling or sandblasting the walls prevents the plaster from peeling. Once we had stripped away about 3 to 4 centimeters of the thick plaster, we then revealed a groove right near the floor which was deepened all the way down to the concrete base slab. Another important aspect of wall preparation, the walls were coated with NCT Crystal. This is a deeply penetrating primer that effectively transforms the wall into a waterproof stone. The primed walls are then coated with NCT Gem, which significantly enhances the effect of the NCT Crystal insulation and further strengthens the walls. NCT Gem mortar is applied traditionally with a trowel and spatula. Finally, we skim coat the walls with thermal adhesive mortar. This is a thermal insulating, waterproof mortar. The purpose of this mortar is to eliminate thermal bridges. The mortar slows down the transfer of heat to the outside and the penetration of cold into the room. The mortar is lime-based, highly alkaline, and this composition ensures that no mold can ever form on its surfaces. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, after removing the plaster, we created a joint in the walls. This joint was filled with NCT mortar to protect the screed from moisture penetrating from the outside. This connection between the screed and the NCT walls improves the structural stability of the old buildings.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.